Hello and welcome to the Cookeville Seventh-day Adventist Church. In this video, I will be showing you a new social media platform we're going to launch and how it works. So the name of the social media platform is called Discord, and to begin with, I'm going to explain what it is, and then I'll show you how to set one up and how to join our community. So, to begin with, let me explain. I'm sure most people are familiar with Facebook, and kind of the way Facebook works is that, you have your page where you post stuff about you, and you can also go to other people's pages and see stuff about them. And then you also have something like the Cookeville Adventist Church Facebook, which kind of tells about our church. So Discord is kind of like inverse Facebook. It is more about the community than about individual profiles. So you don't actually have a profile in Discord. It's mainly for chatting with people. The other thing to understand about Discord is that when I refer to server, often Discord servers is a common way we say it. Discord server just means a page, just like Facebook. So that's just something to maybe help with any confusion. When we say Discord server, we're talking about a Facebook page, in a sense. So to get started, you're probably going to get an email that looks something like this. So you'll just have to go to your email, and there'll probably be a few videos about one of these is probably the video you're watching. And then there's going to be 2 links here. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to go ahead and copy this link. So, select it and then right click and then copy. And then you'll need to come down and go ahead and open up a web browser. And we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. And then just go ahead and paste and enter. Alright, so this is the Discord website. This is how we're going to set up an account. So we're going to say open Discord in your browser right here. Sorry, my bad. We're going to come up here to log in. Alrighty. So if you already have an account, this is where you go to log into Discord. But if you're creating one for the first time, you're going to come here and click register right there. And then we're going to come over here. You're just going to need to type in your email. Your username can be anything you want. So Fluffy Bunny 32, whatever you pick. And then you can also, you'll need to enter a password. So test 1, 2, 3. And then put in your date of birth, or you can make up a year. It doesn't matter. And then hit continue, and you'll have a Discord account. Now, I have already set one up, so I'm going to show you once you basically hit continue. It might ask you a few more things. Just feel free to skip through those, and you'll have a Discord account. So let me come over here to an account I have already made, and this is I'm actually creating a Discord account for my dad. So if I say log in, and I'm going to grab a sip of coffee. Alrighty. So when you get into Discord, if you've successfully made an account and haven't gotten any errors, you're going to see this right here. Now, congratulations, you've made a Discord account. One thing is Discord is going to mail you a special email. I don't have one right now, but you'll see it in your inbox. Go ahead and just click on that, and I'll have a link, and all that does is just make sure your account is correct. That's all. So if I come back over here, like I said, this is where you'll be once you create your account. You're going to need to go back over to your email and I have it pulled up in Chrome, and go back to the email you had, and you're going to need to copy this. Right click, copy, and now I'm going to go back over to the Discord. I'm just using 2 web browsers. You might also have a email app or something. And you're going to want to click on the plus button over here. Alright, so once you see this, go ahead and hit join a server right here. And go ahead and paste it. So right click and then paste and hit join server. Alrighty, so you are now in our church's community, or what we would call a Discord server. So a couple things you'll see is you'll see people on the right here, and you'll also see places to chat. But before you get started, as you can see, we actually have a robot that has greeted you. And a couple things you need to do is you're going to need to change your nickname. Now, what I mean by that is if you come over here and you click on yourself, I'm sorry, ignore that. Alright, you're here. You're going to need to find yourself right here. So it'll say whatever username you just created, and right click on it. And then you're going to see this option right down here that says change nickname. And so maybe you should, we just need a name to recognize you by. So once I hit that, hit save. And now your name in the Discord server is Jim Sanderson. By the way, if you have trouble finding yourself here, you can just make a simple message, hi, and then you can right click on yourself here and change nickname. Next, we'll need you to go and read this, a welcome guideline, and these are, like I said, these are different chats. So each one of these is going to have a different chat in it, and we're going to go up and click on the welcome chat. And as you can see, this screen changed. And it's going to talk about just some getting started stuff, just some rules, no profanity, no cussing. We're all here to be Christians. But if I come back over here to general, there's one other thing. Lastly, we need you to tell us how you're involved in the church. Let me explain. We're trying to keep it organized. So if, for example, my dad would be, I believe, he's on the church board, I believe, this is all from my understanding. So just tell us, this may not be entirely correct, but it's just an example. And make sure to tell us that you are a member. This Discord is open to visitors, but as you'll see, there's kind of an organization to it. So if you just hit enter to post something, you need to just type, and then when you hit enter, it will post. Now, if you want to make multiple lines, like I'm going to have to hold shift, then enter. And then when I hit enter again, it'll post it. Anyway, so what's going to happen is I'll show you my screen to show you how this works. I will get a message, or a moderator. We have a couple moderators on this server, and what they do is they just keep it organized. And so if I come over here to my screen, we'll go over to, and I see that Jim Sanderson has joined. Now, he's on the church board, he's on the finance committee, and he's a member. So what I will do is I will go ahead and, there we go, sorry. So I'm going to make sure he's a member. He is also on the church board, and he is on the finance. Alright, so now that that's done, you should be good to go. In the second video, I'll be showing you more about how to use this server. But as for all you need to do, this is the only video you really need. Once you're in our server or in our community, we can help you out from there. Anyway, See you in the next video.